Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on my series on cooking basics and essentials. Today I'll be going over a really simple and easy recipe which all you beginners who have your kitchen set up, they have your spice cabinet set up and you're good to go. And this will be a really nice introduction for all of you beginners into a really wholesome, delicious home cooked meal. So for today's recipe, we'll be making a really delicious homemade shawarma style chicken breast, which is going to be served with some lemon baked potatoes and some green beans. So let's get started right now. So for all you beginners, it may seem a bit intimidating that you're making an entire meal with chicken, potatoes and greens. How am I going to do it? How is it going to taste good? How will I know if it's cooked? Just don't worry about it. I'm going to guide you through it. It's going to be really easy to follow. So just sit back and relax and enjoy this video and just pay attention. So first off, preheat your oven at 400 and then we're going to start preparing our marinade. So in my bowl here, I'm going to add some chopped garlic, then a juice of half a lemon, then about a 3/4 tablespoon of olive oil. Let's add in all the dry spices. First, ground cumin, then black pepper, a touch of turmeric, salt to season our chicken, and some chili flakes. And add some extra. I myself like spicy food, so if you're not the same as me, you don't have to add as many chili flakes as I did. Just tune it to your preference. This is your dish. This is your... And a little bit of cayenne. And finally, a pinch of cinnamon. Now grab your favorite whisk and give this a really nice mix. So after your marinade is done, let the chicken chill in the fridge for at least 20 minutes or up to 2 hours. We'll be using some baby potatoes today and I've already halved them and it's in the bowl right here. So season this with salt. Just like the chicken, add in your lemon juice. That's another half of it. Followed by your olive oil. Just add the remaining olive oil. So we've already added salt and we're gonna add in our pepper. A little bit of that chili flakes. And lastly, some oregano. I'll just give this all a mix. So our potatoes are ready to go in the oven. Now let's set up our baking sheet. So I have a baking sheet here lined with a silicone mat. I find these are like super helpful. It's non-stick and it's easy cleanup. If you don't have this, you can always like use foil, but these are pretty cheap and you can easily get them on Amazon. So just spread your potatoes right in here. Make sure they are evenly spaced out so they have a nice cook on them. Now pop these into the oven. So you want to bake these potatoes until they are cooked and have a little golden brown texture to it. So chicken is marinated. Now let's start cooking. So we're just going to transfer this into a baking tray which is lined with aluminium foil. Just line them up here and also put all that delicious marinade all over that chicken. If you happen to have a meat thermometer, stick it in the chicken once it's done cooking and make sure it's 165 Fahrenheit. So it's been about 20 minutes in the oven for these potatoes and they're starting to look really delicious. Have a little bit of char, some brown on it. That just adds more and more flavor. I'm just gonna flip these around. Make sure each side has some of that delicious brown color. It's gonna make it crispy, add some flavor, and that's what we want. Just toss it around, make sure it's flipped. It doesn't have to be perfect. So potatoes are gonna go in for another 10-15 minutes along with our chicken. It's all gonna cook together and we're gonna put in our green beans soon as well. So to make it easy for you guys, these are just basic frozen beans which I've just tossed in a pan with foil. We're gonna season this with salt and pepper. Give it a good mix. These potatoes are beautiful. They're ready. They are crispy. They're delicious. The lemon is all inside the potato. And good job. You did that. Now let's wait for the chicken. It's almost ready as well. So within a minute of potatoes getting ready, our chicken is done too. So let's temp it. Make sure it is at least 165 and we are golden. So while our beans are getting cooked, let's just start plating our dish. It's really simple. We're just gonna stack everything in and make it look nice. So start with your chicken, then add in your potatoes, your lovely baby potatoes, just a little bit more. And what do you know, our beans are ready as well. Just add in our beans, those greens in, and there you have it, guys. You made that. This is really delicious, full of flavor, full of nutrition, and I'm sure you guys can do it. So there you have it, guys. I hope you guys found this video really easy to follow, and if you did, then let me know in the comments down below. I'll be sure to check out the comments and get back to you as soon as I can. I'm really excited to have this meal. It's super delicious, and it was a good change to just put it all in the oven and let it do its work while I can just relax. I'm gonna dig into this meal now. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this and get more awesome recipes. See you guys again in the next one.